Now, to close things out, for firms who are considering involvement in the litigation, what do you see as the biggest opportunity? How can they play a role?
When you say biggest, I mean one of the biggest opportunities to partner up with a law firm that's incredibly competent, that's been involved since the very beginning, and the search engine guys, who I think is, if not one of the most, if not the most reputable lead generation company out there. That's an opportunity, but I don't want this to sound self-serving, like I'm just trying to plug us. So, what is the biggest opportunity to raise public awareness, to shame this company, Roblox, and Discord, by the way? I should mention that Discord is a defendant in a third of our lawsuits that have been filed so far. And that holds true for pretty much all the firms that are involved right now. As of this morning, there's 37 cases pending in federal court. I think 11, so a little under a third. My math's not the greatest, but a little under a third have Discord as a common defense. So what often happens is, and I'm gonna land the plane, but Roblox is where the communication starts. Discord allows file to file sharing, so they'll go on to Discord, and that's where you see some of the most disgusting images that are shared. So they work in tandem. And Discord's like the Wild West, but I see the opportunity in shedding as much light on Roblox, on the fact that Roblox is trying to force these children to secretive proceedings known as arbitration, that they're trying to shame the whistleblowers, rather than actually shaming these sexual predators and shedding light on their own poor behavior by allowing this to become a hunting ground for children.
It's so shameful.
It is, but we feel like this is a very important project that hits home, and I think this is all for a very good cause.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me and explain a little bit more about this litigation.
Yeah, if you have any further questions, Stan and I will be at MTMP, and we'd be happy to talk to anyone about this case, what we've experienced so far, where we see the issues, where the strengths of this case, and why we think it's going to be a successful project.
Great, thank you.
Ellie, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yeah. We'll be hosting a full webinar Q&A in the coming weeks. If you're interested, please reach out to RSVP.